In this video, I'm going to show you how to identify your links so you don't get confused on what's 29 link or what level link you're sending out. So what I've done here is now my domain is set to be the main domain hosting the sales page. Okay, I've done that in the previous video. So here for the 900, what I've done is I've changed that code here to 900. So if I copy the link, I know that this link is for the 900 order form. And then for the 29, what I've done here is I've done 900-29. So that way I'm able to identify that this 29 is for this 29 link is for the 900 legacy product. And then when I come to 600, I've done 600 here. When I come to 29 here, I've done 600 for 29. For the 300, I'm going to do it here. So 300 form, I'm just going to take this code out and put 300. Okay. And then the 29 link for the 300, I'm going to do 300. And I'm going to do dash and 29. This way, if I mistakenly want to share the link, I don't make a mistake because it has codes. But when you do it like this, you know exactly what link is for what. And then that completes, oh, there's 100. Forgot this one. 100. So I do 100. If you scroll down, you've got the 29. And there's the 29. That's the 29 for the 100. So I'm just going to do 100 and then I do dash and 29. So all my links are now being identified and easy for me to remember. And I won't get confused by the codes because although the codes are all different, it can be confusing what code is for what product unless you click the code, unless you click the link and then you say, oh, this opens up to this amount. But if you want to be able to identify it on your dashboard, then this is an easy way to identify it. And when you copy it, you can copy and send to someone. So copy here, or you can just click on funnel step and to open up to the payment page. If someone wants to pay and it says 29 and it says the launch pad. But you see, the thing is that when it says 29 for the launch pad, it doesn't, unless you know what the launch pad is, you might get confused. Is the launch pad a 300 product or is the launch pad a 600 product? So unless you have mastered what it is, it doesn't tell you here what's 29 you're paying for. Okay, so and that's just an idea anyway. It just came to my mind. I don't know why I said that. So anyway, I hope that is clear. I was just doing it for myself and I said, you know, why don't you just do a video? As I go through the steps, if there's anything I'm doing for myself, I will record a video in case it makes life easy for anyone or it helps anyone. I will do that. Okay. Thank you very much. I hope this is easy to understand.